Hi guys, this is another video. I've got this recently purchased vintage EUMIG P8 projector, which I have inadvertently loaded the film incorrectly, and so I'm getting this flickering on the screen, as you can see there. Okay, so what I've realized is, let me just use freeze frame here. I've used these yellow marks to show you. I've loaded the film too tight up against the gate, whereas it should be like this with space at either side, as indicated on the machine itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is switch the machine up and try again. You can see I've got it loaded again. A bit of a excessive on the top, but I've looked down here, you can see the little loop on the bottom. There's also a small loop on the top and the bottom. And to show you here, resolved, no more flickering. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.